Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to check out the Twinkly Squares.
Yeah, I'm excited about these things, and Twinkly sent us these for the review.
All right, so these are squares, as you can see on the front. They you can change the color. They're LED addressable panels.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, so
I'm looking forward to this because we're going to hang it on the wall up here in the studio. Not behind us directly, but over in our exercise room.
oh, that's where we're going to put them, huh?
Yeah, what? Okay, I think
Nice.
that's the best blank wall we have. So I'm excited.
All right, so here's the box. This is really neat, nicely packaged too.
What do we got?
Here's a book.
Okay, instruction book. Oh man, it's a lot of instructions. Okay,
Ooh,
what else you got?
nice little postcard, bringing Twinkly into our lives.
Neat.
All right, here's some really cool little stickers.
Always have to have stickers.
And this looks like a mounting
Well, that's a
guide.
mounting template. So because each of the squares has to be mounted on the wall, they give you a template to put on the wall.
All right, here's some nice little tissue paper. You ready? Whoosh.
Ooh, the automated tissue paper. Okay.
And here's a square. So I take this out first.
Yeah, I like out that box first, but let's open that afterwards. Let's get these out of here so we get all the paper out of the way here. Ooh,
There
that's
it
cool.
is. Ooh.
What's it look underneath?
Oh, it's got a bunch of little
It's got a bunch of connectors.
boxes and
Well, I
connectors and
suspect
stuff.
this is what's controlling it, but it's got these connectors on it. So if you look at it, there's a bunch of connectors in the back to connect the panels together. But I'm going to leave the plastic on for now until we install.
All right,
All
so
right.
this has 6 panels in it, right?
This is 6 panels. Now this is interesting. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 across and 8 down. So that's a lot of pixels. All right,
There you
that's
go.
2. We get 6, 6, 3, 4. More boxes inside box. More nails. And okay, everything empty.
So we've got some other stuff in here. This is probably stuff to control it. So this has 6 panels. One of them has power, and then the other 5 talk to the main one. That's the way it works. Okay. Oh, it's a power cord.
All right, so we got a power cord. Hold on, I'm going to take it out of
Ooh,
the
a
thing here.
heavy-duty power cord. Looks like one that comes with your laptop.
Well, I think you can add more on if you want. I think you can
Yeah,
buy
you
additional
can
ones.
get you can have maximum 16 panels.
Wow.
So you can really make a cool design with that.
Oh, this is nice. It's USB to USB, and this is
USB-C
USB.
to USB.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh,
USB-C.
almost said it wrong. USB-C. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so this is pretty cool. And this is a, let's see, output at 5 volts is 3 amps. So 3 amp power supply.
Oh, here's some other fun stuff in here. Looks like
Oh, you know what these are? These are the interconnects.
ooh,
So let's see what we got here. Let's find out.
a bunch of cables.
All right, so how many cables did you get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 cables for 6
For
panels.
6 panels. So here's some
Right,
cables.
and then, oh, these are like little,
Don't
oh,
lose
I
them.
lost one. One's on the floor. Anyway, so that's it. These must be clips to hold them on. So they must snap on here somewhere. And we'll find out. Somewhere it snaps on and hooks them all up. So that's pretty cool. And I've already lost one.
Oh, you better find it.
It's on the floor beneath me.
All right, so
Okay.
they're RGB. They're USB-C. They come with hang holes so you can hang them up, which is good. And then they work with this app, and you can make designs. You can make your own design, or you can choose some of their pre-done designs.
Oh, that's cool.
And you can make these cool light panels on your wall.
See, so we're going to have fun playing.
Yeah, this
I'm
is
looking
gonna be
forward to
really
this. This is
fun.
going to be a lot of fun.
That's the back.
All right.
But wait, before we move on, I've got to do this at least once. Ready?
Okay, go ahead. Wow.
That was very satisfying.
Whoa, and there's 5 more to do. Now the satisfaction is going to be, can she put it back on the panel?
There we go. That's pretty neat.
It's
They're
pretty
very
nice.
shiny.
Very, very nice. Yeah. Can you put that back on the panel? Make me nervous.
Well, they're going to have to come off eventually.
Okay, now we got a nice thing. So there you go. That's the whole kit, right?
It's a Twinkly, so this is pretty exciting. I think we're going to have to fight over where we put them.
No, I think the fight's going to be who has the app on their phone.
So we're going to install them, check them out, and show you how they work. Let's install and set up the Twinkly Squares, and then we'll show you how to make a playlist. Download the Twinkly app and create an account. The app will look for devices using Bluetooth. select Twinkly Squares, press the button under the main square, and it should find it. Set up your Wi-Fi, then update the firmware if needed. Name the squares. You can add more panels now or after you figure out your layout. We set up the first panel to start while we learn more. The app will give you some advice on physical setup. It will compile effects. Select one and apply to see it. Then you have to map the panels. This will allow Twinkly to understand your layout and show you an example. Now you can add more panels, map them, and apply a design. After we installed all the other panels, we remapped them. It was fun to watch the mapping process. Once done, we were ready to add more designs. We installed our Twinkly Squares in our home gym, so we wanted to create a workout playlist. We used some of the Twinkly effects plus some GIFs we found online. From Giphy, we saved them to our camera roll. To add them to Twinkly, select the FX Wizard icon in the upper right corner of the Gallery tab. Then select Import a GIF. Select the GIF. It will let you size it into a grid of your squares. Once you have it right, save it, name it, and confirm. Now the GIF is in the gallery. Next, we built a playlist. In the Gallery tab, select Playlist from the upper left-hand corner. Select Edit to add effects, select the effect, and add more effects as desired. You can reorder the playlist and it will show how long each effect is. Then save it by clicking Apply. It will immediately start playing. Once saved, you can play it any time by selecting Playlist again. We like the Twinkly Squares. You can have all sorts of fun. The app is a bit confusing, but it's powerful. With practice, you can unlock its creative potential. Thank you for watching.